And it means that judges have to, at least the judicial independence notion, embodies the notion that judges have to decide issues fairly and impartially based on the laws and the Constitution without fear of retaliation by the executive or legislative branches for doing just that. Now, former Chief Justice William Rehnquist compared the role of the judge to that of a referee in a basketball game. His son played basketball, so he went to a lot of those. He compared it to the referee who's obliged to call a foul against a member of the home team at a critical moment in the game. He will be soundly booed, but he is nonetheless obliged to call it as he saw it, not as the home crowd wants him to decide it. So that's it in a nutshell. That's what judges have to do, and that's why they run into trouble sometimes. Now, judicial independence does not happen all by itself. It's tremendously hard to create, and it's easier than most people imagine to damage or destroy. And that's why in the U.S. Supreme Court building, in the courtroom, or below the courtroom, there's a larger than life-size statue of the great Chief Justice John Marshall, and there is a portrayal of him in the frieze of the court in the Supreme Court room. And John Marshall spent 35 years trying to nurture a culture where the political branches were by and large willing to acquiesce in the judicial branch's interpretations of the law.